Hello everyone, how you all doing and welcome back to another episode here of Bristol Crypto Craig on a Saturday evening. And there's only one place I can start, guys, tonight, and that is with the famous unicorn Uniswap. I almost feel like I want to put a horn on my head tonight and look like this icon here. What a coin. Right, let's have a look at the markets, guys, to start off with tonight. So how we can see here, Uniswap has finally broken out in what 24 hours it has been. As you can see here, we've had a head and shoulders breakout, as you would call it. But look at this chart, guys. How bullish is this chart? Another one you can frame and put on the wall here. So from the 12th of January, where we had prices around the $6 mark, just over a month, we have had parabolic moves. We've had a retest here, another retest here. As you see, the head and shoulders pattern here, and third time lucky. And after a mini correction, another mini correction, we have finally broken out, guys. In the space of just over 5 weeks, we have gone from down here at $6 up to today. We wicked out at 32. Haven't quite closed the wick there, and we have come down to around about $30.50. This is just a complete candle pump here. Look, as you can see, great little pump there. So look at this chart, guys. This is a really bullish chart. So I just felt today had to open up with Uniswap. In 24 hours, we're looking at a 50% pump. Such a bullish chart. I would expect a little bit of a pullback now before going on to new highs. But this is definitely a up and coming Uniswap coin, guys. Here, this is going to go. This is going to go big now for the rest of the cycle. So maybe some kind of around about here, you may expect to see a little bit of a pullback, maybe, and then we go on again up here somewhere. So a pullback to here before we move on up to here again. So higher highs up here. So a great day, guys, for Uniswap. Congratulations if you're holding Uniswap. Great coin. So let's have a look at the markets, guys. Bitcoin dominance still hovering over the 61% mark today. Bitcoin currently just under 56,500. And Ethereum is retesting those pre-$2,000 prices there. Did break out yesterday above 2,000. Didn't quite like it. Bit of a rejection. We'll go again. Next time we go again, we'll smash that 2,000, I'm sure. You'll find that'll always happen with a lot of coins, you know what I mean? They might just test the water a little bit, see how they like it. Don't like it, they'll come back out. They'll have another dip. Might take a few times, but you know, you keep knocking. I think next week we're going to break through 2,000 onwards and upwards, guys, on that. We're breaking through slowly. It's just a little correction there. And Cardano, guys, as well. As I predicted on Wednesday or Thursday's video, I expected Cardano to break through the $1 mark this weekend. And 24-hour up 22% and up 30% on the 7-day chart there. So let's have a look at the Cardano, guys, shall we, as well, while we're here? Here we go. There we go, guys. Look at Cardano going. It's been a great month for Cardano, hasn't it? Since start of February, where we had we turned the resistance here into support. Had a couple of tries, finally broke out here, and since then it hasn't looked back. It hasn't looked back at all. It's gone straight up from 30 cents, and today, so what's that? It's like a 400%, 4x from here. In the space of like 3 weeks, we've gone right up here. A little correction here, before we've gone on to movements. So I would expect something here like now we may go up a little bit more slightly. We may have a bit of a pullback then, a little pullback slightly, and then I think we're going to go and move on again. Slight pullback before we go on, guys. Something like that I would expect now. Slight correction before moving on towards the the 130, $140 mark. Then I reckon so. Next leg up. So Cardano, guys, what an excellent coin as well. So congratulations if you're holding Cardano and you're holding Uniswap. So just a quick look, guys, here. So the pump may have something to do with this news of Cardano approaching a new major upgrade as ADA posts an inspired rally. So they're saying here that Cardano's Mary upgrade and token gains are poised to compete with Ethereum, while metrics suggest that Ethereum is still the king. We all know that probably will remain that way, guys, don't we really? So the Cardano coin ADA here hits an all-time high, 97, of which obviously we know that since then we've gone on to higher still. Cardano started the year at 18 cents. So at the time of this press, it was entailing a 438% gains year to date, which is a lot more now, obviously, as I've just shown you on the charts. So that's great. It says here, apart from the macro trends in the cryptocurrency industry driving up the price of flagship assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, translating into other altcoins such as Link and Dot, etc. Talking of Dot, what I've got 24 hours for Dot, guys, too. I'm going to look at their chart in a second as well. Cardano's growth could also be attributed to the network updates that Cardano has been running on its blockchain network. So bullish news, guys, for Cardano there as well. If you want to read down here a little bit as well, if you go on Cointelegraph, they're talking about the ERC20 fungible and ERC721 non-fungible tokens on Ethereum. So non-fungible tokens, if you're not into that, it's all about the NFTs and the gaming industry, the meme industry. If you want to look into NFTs, great projects. NFTs are going to be huge as well. There's some great projects on NFTs, so you might want to have a look on there as well, guys, just to I'll do another video on NFT sometime. It's a whole different subject, different ball game, but I will go into that on a later video, guys. So let's just have a look. Ethereum hasn't had much movement, guys. Pretty much the same as it was. Bitcoin, slight movements. This is obviously a little bit of a pullback before we head on to the 60 plus K mark. So yeah, I mean, obviously we've had a massive rally the last few days, guys. Binance obviously has had a major rally the last 48 hours. So as we would expect, there has been a correction. Slight pullback over the 7-day. I mean, you can't complain, guys. Look, we're up nearly 100% on the 7-day chart. So to pull back 20-something% today, the last 24 hours is only to be expected, isn't it? That's healthy, of course. Nothing to worry about there. That's what we'd expect. Bit of a pullback now. Bit of sideways movement before we actually move onwards and upwards with Binance, guys. So let's have a look here for you. So here we go. We've gone parabolic, guys, haven't we? The last couple of days we have gone really insane with Binance. So I'm sure nobody can have any complaints about Binance's performance. This is only to be expected. Been outperforming at the moment. Maybe slightly overbought. All this pump here would be slightly attributed to the BSC Binance Smart Chain developments and latest updates with the Binance Smart Chain. If you want to have a look into that, you probably need to read the article through to fully understand it, but that's partly to do with the pump. And then obviously we've had a slight pullback today from 335 up here, but down to like 260. So yeah, okay, it's a bit of a dump, that, isn't it, pulling back, but I'm sure we'll go sideways before moving onwards and upwards, guys. So that's that. But let's have a quick look at the dot chart as well, guys. Today, polka dot on the on the USD dollar I prefer to use. So here we go, guys. Look at this as well. In January, we turned a bit of resistance here, and we've now turned the resistance into the support. So the resistance around here, guys, here, we had a little bit of a shallow head and shoulders here. Okay, the head and shoulders here, if you're not aware, is what it is basically. You can see two shoulders and a little head poking out here. So the head and shoulders here. We turned the resistance here into supports, and where we have turned into support here, we have gone up here and we have made a new resistance levels, new support levels. Healthy chart, guys. This is looking healthy to me. We have gone up to 40. We didn't wick out today. $41, pulled back slightly to the $40 range. And I'd expect us here to have a little bit of a sideways movement and then maybe go up from there. So that's looking healthy too, guys. So I'm going to leave you with this a healthy looking green, as I always do, guys, a green candle. Thanks for joining me for a video on this Saturday evening. Hope you're all keeping safe and keeping well. How are your wallets doing? Let me know how everyone's portfolio's doing, guys, down in the comment section. So what I'm going to be doing tomorrow, I want to talk a bit about ZIL, and I've got a new gem that I think I may have been come across in my searches, in my research earlier on today, this morning. So I'm going to reveal that little gem tomorrow with a little bit of Zilliqa news and updates and price predictions on what I think Zilliqa could hit. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you're all good. Bristol Crypto Craig checking out. See you all tomorrow. Strong hands. It's the bull year, guys. It's the bull year. Don't get shaken out. Q3 and Q4 is coming, guys. Take care. And if you like my video, guys, if you could subscribe, maybe chuck a thumbs up for me. It helps the algorithm, which is always appreciated. See you tomorrow. Bristol Crypto Craig checking out. Peace out.